What if the biggest barrier to your MRCEM SBA exam success is in the material, but your own mind? You have studied tirelessly, you know the guidelines, but do you know how to truly perform under pressure? This video reveals the hidden psychological battleground of exam day and how mastering your mental state is the ultimate key to conquering the MRCEM and unlocking your true potential. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we help emergency medics smash their exams and become better clinicians. Today, we are unpacking the psychological battle of exam day. We are dissecting how to transform paralyzing anxiety into a performance edge, leveraging targeted mental strategies to build unshakable confidence. We are going to show you how mastering the MRCEM SBA exam isn't just about clinical knowledge, it's about mastering your own mental state when the clock is ticking. If you have ever stayed at an SBA exam and felt your brain completely empty out, this video is for you. Here are 10 tips to bulletproof your mindset for the MRCEM exam. Tip number 1. Stop trying to eliminate anxiety completely. It's impossible and frankly, it's unhelpful. This is the performance curve. You need some stress to perform at your peak. That racing heart, those sweaty palms, that's not fear, that's physiological arousal. That is your body dumping adrenaline so your brain works faster. The trick isn't to calm down, it's to relabel the feeling. When you feel that jittery energy in the waiting area, don't say, I'm terrified. Say, I'm amped up. This is the game day energy. My body is ready. It sounds cheesy, but reframing the physical sensation changes how your brain interprets the threat. Tip 2. Trust your hard drive. Tip 2 is about the fear of the blank mind. Anxiety acts like a firewall between your conscious brain and your stored knowledge. The harder you panic, the stronger the firewall gets. You have done the work, you have done hundreds of shifts, seen thousands of patients, and read the books. The data is on your hard drive. When you hit a question and feel blank, take a deep breath and trust that the information is there. Panic locks the door, calm opens it. Trust your preparation. Tip 3. The tactical breath, physiological reset. But what if the panic is already setting in? Tip 3 is the tactical pause. When you feel your breathing get shallow and your thoughts start racing during the exam, you need a physiological reset. You cannot think your way out of a panic attack. You have to breathe your way out. Use box breathing, the same technique used by special forces. In for 4 seconds, hold for 4, out for 4, hold for 4. Do that twice. It forces your parasympathetic nervous system to kick in and lowers your heart rate, bringing your prefrontal cortex, the thinking part of your brain, back online. Tip 4. The SBA death spiral, analysis paralysis. Tip 4 is specific to the SBA format. Beware the SBA death spiral. You have narrowed it down to two options, A and C. You stare at them, you reread the stem, you look at A again, then C. 5 minutes pass. Your confidence is draining away. Listen to me. The longer you stare at two similar options, the less likely you are to pick the right one, and the more stressed you become about time. If you're truly stuck between the two, go with your very first gut instinct, mark it, and move on. Do not let one difficult question sabotage the next 10 easy ones because you wasted all your mental energy on it. Tip 5. Simulate the actual stress. Tip 5. Don't just study, train. Doing 50 questions on your iPad while sitting on the sofa with a coffee and Netflix in the background is not exam preparation. That's revision. Exam preparation means simulating the stresses. Do a mock paper at a desk, in silence with a strict timer, perhaps when you are slightly tired after a shift. Make the practice environment as uncomfortable as the real thing. If you only train in fair weather, you will snap in the storm. Tip 6. The skip button is your confidence hack. Tip 6. The skip button is your best friend for maintaining confidence. The exam is designed to throw curveballs early on to rattle you. If you hit question 3 and it's an obscure toxicology question you have never seen and you feel that panic rising, skip it. Why? Because you need quick wins to build momentum. Go find the 5 easy questions hiding later in the paper. Answer them. Get the dopamine hit of, I know this. Once your confidence is stabilized, go back to the beast you skipped. You will find it much less intimidating the second time around. Tip 7. Stop future tripping. Tip 7 is about mindfulness. Stop future tripping. Anxiety lives in the future. You are on question number 20, but your brain is worrying about the results email 3 weeks from now or what your consultant will think if you fail. None of that helps you answer question number 20. When you find your mind wandering to the what ifs, mentally short, stop. Look at the screen, read the first line of the vignette, force your brain back into the present moment. The only thing that matters is the question right in front of you. Tip 8. The imposter reality check. Tip 8. Let's talk about imposter syndrome. It's rampant in emergency medicine. You are sitting there thinking, everyone else here is smarter than me. They all know the NICE and RQM guidelines backwards. I'm going to get found out. Here is the reality check. The MRCEM exam is hard. It's supposed to be hard. Everyone in that room is struggling. Everyone is terrified of failing. You are an ED doctor. You deal with actual life and death situations daily. You belong in that exam hall as much as anyone else. Don't let your inner critic gaslight you into thinking you aren't good enough. Tip 9. Your anchor thought. Tip 9. Have an anchor thought. When the pressure feels overwhelming, you need something to anchor you to why you are putting yourself through this. Why are you doing the MRCEM exam? Is it for career progression? Is it to provide better care for your patients? Or is it to prove something to yourself? Find that why, distill it into a single sentence or an image, and use it as your mental anchor when the seas get rough during the exam. Tip 10. The post-exam black box rule. And finally, tip 10 applies to the second you walk out of the exam hall. Beware the postmortem. You know what I mean. Standing outside with your mate saying, for question 12, did you put hyperkalemia or hypercalcemia? Do not do this. It serves zero purpose other than to skyrocket your anxiety about a result you cannot change. Put the exam in a mental black box, lock it, and walk away. Go do something nice for yourself. You have earned it. The MRCEM SBA exam is a beast, but it's a beast that can be tamed. Remember, knowledge gets you to the starting line, but mindset gets you to the finish line. Stop viewing anxiety as the enemy and start viewing it as the fuel. Trust the work you have put in. Breathe. Stay present. You can do this. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more MRCEM strategy videos. Drop a comment below on which tip you need to work on the most. Good luck. Go crush it.